dear students, once again welcome back to the maths class. In today's class we will cover exercise 7.3. So open book page number 107. Be ready with your notebook, pen, pencil, geometry box, all the things. Okay. Exercise 7.3, which is on book page number 107. Question number 1, read it carefully. Find the diameter for the given radius. Question number 1, find the diameter with the given radius. Okay. Question number A is 8 centimeter. Radius is given here. With the given radii means radius is given to you and you want to find the diameter. Your task is to find the diameter where radius is given. So let us solve it. We know that radius is given. How much radius is given? Radius is equals to 8 centimeter. It is given. We know one formula. In previous lecture I told you, I have given you two formulas, right? Diameter is equals to 2 into radius, and the second formula was radius equals to diameter divided by 2. So here we are going to find diameter, so we are using first formula. So we know that diameter is equals to 2 multiplied with radius. It is our formula. We are finding diameter, so write diameter as it is. Diameter is equals to 2 as it is, multiply as it is radius. Radius is 8 centimeter. So we can write 8 centimeter at the place of radius. Now write diameter is equals to 2 into 8. Number multiplied with number. 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. So 16 centimeter. Diameter will be of 16 centimeter. It is our answer. Okay. So by using the formula we can find the diameter. By using the formula we can find the diameter. Now let us find for B. The given radius is 1515 centimeter. The given radius is of 15 centimeter. What is given? Radius is given. Radius is equals to 1550 centimeter. 1515 centimeter radius. Now we know diameter. We are finding diameter. So we know that diameter is equals to 2 multiplied with radius. This formula we know. Now put the values in the formula. We don't have any value for diameter, so write diameter as it is equals to 2 multiplied. Radius, we have radius. Value for radius is 15 centimeter. So write 15 here. Okay. Now diameter is equals to 2 into 15. In rough work you can arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply. 2 5s are 10. So 0 we will write here and 1 carry forward. Now 2 will multiply with 1. 2 1s are 2 and 1 carry. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 30. Our result is 30 centimeter. So our diameter is 30 centimeter. So by using the formula we can find the diameter. Now let us find for C. For question number C, we have given radius of 17 centimeter. radius. Radius is given, which is 17 centimeter. Radius is 17 centimeter. Now we know that diameter is equals to 2 multiply with radius. So diameter is equals to 2 multiply with, what is the value of radius here? 17 centimeter, right? 17 centimeter. Now in the next step, diameter is equals to 2 into 17. In rough work, you can arrange both the numbers column wise. When we multiply 2 with 17, our result is 34. So diameter is equals to 34 centimeter. Now let us do question number D. Question number D. The given radius is of 30 centimeter. So radius is of 30 centimeter. Now what is the formula for diameter? Diameter is equals to 2 multiplied with radius. So 2 multiplied with, what is the value of radius here? 30 centimeter. So write 30 centimeter. Now diameter is equals to, in the next step we will solve it. 2 multiply 30. So arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. So 2 multiplied with 1's place, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 3 is 6. We got 60, 60 centimeter. Diameter is of 60 centimeter. Okay. Now the last one. Now the last one is E. Radius is of 100 centimeter. Let us solve it. Radius is equals to 100 centimeter. We are finding diameter, so write the formula. Diameter is equals to 2 multiplied with radius. Now diameter is equals to 2 multiplied with, what is the value of radius? The value of radius is 100 centimeter, so write 100 centimeter. Now in the next step, diameter is equals to 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is 200 centimeter. So our answer is 200 centimeter. Our question number 1 is over. This is how, by using formula diameter equals to 2 into radius, we can find the diameter for given radiuses. Now question number 2. Read question number 2. Find the radius for the given diameters. Find the radius for the given diameter. Now it is the opposite question. Now diameter is given, but you need to find radiuses. Question number A. 6 centimeter. What is given here? We remember what is given? Diameter is given. And what you want to find? You want to find radius. So we will use the formula for radius. Okay, what is it? What is given? Diameter is given. So write diameter is equals to 6 centimeter. What you want to find? You want to find radius, right? What was the formula for radius? Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. Now you are finding radius, so write down radius as it is equals to, as it is, diameter. You have the value of diameter. What is the value of diameter? The value of diameter is 6 centimeter. So write 6 centimeter divide by 2. Now radius is equals to, in rough work, 6 divide by 2, number divide by number, so 6 divide by 2. If you divide 6 by 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So your quotient is 3, so 3 is your radius. 6 centimeter divided by 2, you got 3 as result. So your radius is 3 centimeter. Now let us do the next one, that is B. The given diameter is 22 centimeter. Let us solve it. What is given? Radius is given or diameter is given according to question? Diameter is given. So diameter is equals to 22 centimeter. You are finding radius, so use the formula for radius. What was the formula? Formula was radius is equals to diameter divide by 2. Now put the values what you have. You have value of diameter, so put it. Write radius as it is equals to. You have the value of diameter. What is the value of diameter? 22 centimeter. So write 22 centimeter. Divide by 2. Now 22 divide by 2. So in rough work, you can arrange numbers in standard division form. 22 divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. Subtract 2 minus 2, you get 0. Okay. Now the 0 is not divisible by 2. So what you will do? You will bring down the next digit here. Right. Now you have the number 2 which is divisible by it in one time. So 2 ones are 2. Divide it. In one time 2 ones are 2. Now subtract 2 minus 2, you get 0. So your result is 11. So radius is equals to 22 divided by 2 is 11 centimeters. So this is how we find the radius by using formula. It is very easy, right? Now let us do next question. If you want to note it down, you can pause the video between and note down, then again play your video. Now question number C. Question number C is 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter. So diameter given is 48 centimeter. You want to find radius. Radius equals to diameter divided by 2. Radius equals to, put the value of diameter. What is the value of diameter? 48. So write 48 at the place of diameter. 48 centimeter divided by 2. Now divide 48 by 2 in rough work. Divide it. I am arranging both the numbers in a standard form of division. 48 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 0 is not divisible by 2. So what we will do? We will bring down this 8 here. Okay. Now 8 is divisible by 2 in 4 times. 2 4s are 8. Now subtract 8 minus 8, you got 0. So when you divide 48 by 2, your result is 24. 48 divided by 2, result is 24 centimeter. Do not forget to write centimeter, okay? It is unit of length. So write it. So radius is 24 centimeter. Now question number D and E are your homework. Question number D and E are your homework. Now we will do question number 3. For question number D and E, what you will do? You will use this formula of radius and find your radius. Question number 3 of exercise 7.3. excuse me. Read the question carefully. Question number 3 is a round clock has a radius 15 centimeter. Find its diameter. What is given? Radius is given. Radius equals to 15 centimeter is given. What you want to find? You want to find diameter. You want to find diameter, right? Diameter is what we don't know. So we have one formula of diameter. We can use it. Diameter is equals to 2 multiplied with radius. We have this formula, right? So we can use it. Diameter is equals to 2 multiplied radius. We have value of radius. What is the value of radius? 15 centimeter. So write it 2 into 15. Now diameter is equals to 2 into 15. Arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. You will get 3030 centimeter. So the diameter of clock is 3030 centimeter. Diameter of what will be your answer? Your answer will be diameter of clock, diameter of round clock will be 30 centimeter. Okay. Radius was given, you want to find diameter. So by using the formula diameter equals to 2 into radius, we got our diameter. Now question number 4. Read question number 4 carefully. Read question number 4 carefully. The diameter of a wheel is 7070 centimeter. Find its radius. What is given? Diameter is given. Diameter of wheel is given. So diameter of wheel is equals to 7070 centimeter. Right? And what you want to find? Find its radius. According to question, what you want to find? You want to find radius. So radius is question mark right now. We don't know what is radius. So by using formula, we can find radius. Radius equals to, what was the formula? Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. It was the formula. Now put the values. We don't have any value for radius, so write radius as it is equals to diameter. We have the value for diameter. What is the value of diameter? 70 centimeter. So write 70 at the place of diameter, then divide symbol 2. Okay. Now radius is equals to 70 divided by 2. So in rough work, we can arrange both the numbers in standard division form. 70 divided by 2. 7. 7 is greater than divisor, so we can divide it in 3 times. 2 3s are 6. Now subtract both the numbers. 7 minus 6. 1 is left here. Okay. Now divide. So we cannot divide 1 by 2 as this remainder is smaller than divisor, so we cannot divide it. So now what we can do? We can bring down the next digit here. For further division, we can bring down the next digit here. It becomes 10. And the number 10 is divisible by 2 in 5 times. 2 5s are 10. Now 10 minus 10 is 0. So your result is 35. So when we divide 70 by 2, our result is 3535. Do not forget to write the unit. Unit is centimeter. So write centimeter. So radius of wheel is 35 centimeter. In answer you can write radius of wheel The radius of wheel is 35 centimeter. So question number 4 is also covered here. Okay. Now read the question number 5. What is question number 5? Question number 5 is draw circles with the given radii. Question number 5 is draw circles with the given radii. Here you will need a divider. Sorry, the name of this tool is compass. The name of this tool is compass. What is the name of it? Compass. The name of this tool is compass. You have it in your geometry box. You have this tool. Okay. One end of this tool is having metal point. One end of this tool is having metal point. And at the other end you will fix pencil. Okay. You will fix pencil at the other point. You can take help of your parents to fix pencil. Okay. One end is of metal, at other end you will fix pencil. Okay. And after fixing the pencil, check that the tip of the pencil and the tip of metal is at equal length. You can check it by keeping it down at your notebook. Okay. Keep the tip of the pencil and this metal point at the same level. This device or this tool is used to draw circle. What is the name of this tool? The name of this tool is compass. What is the name of this tool? Name of this tool is compass. Name of this tool is compass. Okay. What we do with the help of it? We draw circle. We draw circle. By using it, we can draw circle. I show you how we can do it. Let us do question. Okay. Question number 5. Draw circle. A is of 2 centimeter. Okay. What is the question? Draw circle with the given radii. So radius is of 2 centimeter. So what you will do? First of all, draw a line of 2 centimeter. First of all, draw a line of 2 centimeter. Mark a point on 0 and mark other point on 2 centimeter. Okay. Join these 2 points. Mark one point and mark other point. Join both the points. Okay. How much centimeter is of? It is of 2 centimeter. So by using pencil, write 2 centimeter on it. Okay. Give name to both the points. Give name O to one point and give we have given name to both the points. Now put metal point, not pencil. Put metal point on the O. Okay, put metal point on the O. Fix it here. Tightly fix it here. And you can move this other part. This metal point will be fixed on the O. And measure it. You can move this. You can stretch the other end of the compass. Okay, stretch it at the other point, measure this distance and make a circle. Measure this distance and you can do not move the metal point. Okay, fix this point and make a circle like this. So by using compass we can draw circles. So this circle is of 2 centimeter. Okay. Now let us do The next one, B. The given radius is of 4 centimeter. Radius is of 4 centimeter. So what you will do? Draw a line of 4 centimeter. How we will draw? We will mark a point on 0 and other point on the 4 centimeter. Okay. Join both the points. With the help of ruler, join both the points. We got a line. Give name to both the points. One point as O and other point as P. Okay. Now write what is the length of this line? The length of this line is 4 centimeter. Write 4 centimeter above the line. Okay. Now take your compass. Fix pencil in the other end. Keep this metal point on the O. Keep this metal point on the O. Straight other point of this metal point and you will fix on the O. Okay, and you can straight this other point in which you have fixed the pencil. Fix this other point. Fix the metal point on the O and you straight the other end of the compass and draw a circle like this. Draw a circle like this. Okay. You will get circle. So this is how you can draw circle by using compass. The remaining C, D and E you will try by yourself. Once again I am repeating, this tool is called as compass. By using it you can draw circles. Okay, our today's class is over here. Complete your homework part by yourself or you can take help of your parents. Bye bye students.